Are you thinking about working in Japan? For me, as a foreigner who has lived and worked in Japan over 5 years, I find that Japan to be a quite unique market compared to other countries. So today, I'd like to share 3 points of a Japanese company culture which can help you succeed here. Okay, so let's break down the key parts of working in Japanese company. In Japan, respect is a very important culture at work. So you have to use a polite language. We say keigo in Japanese. It's honorific words. Also, I think compared to other countries, understanding hierarchy is a very important thing in Japanese companies. Because I think in Japan, some seniorities, they affect the decisions. Of course, it has improved a lot, but still some big companies, they follow the practice. I think Japanese workplace, they prioritize the teamwork over the individual success. So they really value the team players. Like when you do the interview with the team, they always have the culture fit to see if you are a good team player with their team. So I think aligning with the group decisions and contributing actively and committing to the shared goals are the key points to fit in the culture here. I think Japan's work environment has challenges for foreigners, such as working long hours and focus on the details. But I think the clear communication and value thoroughness can help you succeed here. I think while some aspects maybe feel rigid, but they do enhance the quality. So success really depends on your adaptability and your goals here. Okay, so these 3 points is I shared with you about working in Japan and learn more about the Japanese companies. Anyway, it's challenging in the beginning, but adapting to the Japanese companies and respect its values and improve your expertise and your Japanese language skills, you can build a fulfilling career here and you can reach out to your goal. Are you ready to embrace the challenge here? Let's get started.